Hello, everyone. My name is Vanessa. I'm a librarian here at Lehman College, and I'm recording this video to show you a quick way of identifying scholarly information about a work of literature. So the first step is to find the library website. From the Lehman College website, there's actually a link that will take you to our website. So if you click on that, it will take you to this page, which is the library website's homepage. From that homepage, you will notice that there is a search bar right in the middle. So this is the resource that I'm going to show you how to use to locate information about a literary work. In this case, a literary work by Edgar Allan Poe. All right, so I'm going to use as an example The Telltale Heart, which is a short story by Poe. So it's very simple to use. All you need to do is type the title of your literary work. Okay, and I'm also going to recommend that you add the last name of the author. Okay, so I just typed in The Telltale Heart and Poe, just like that on the search bar. Okay, if I click on search, I'm going to get a lot of results. Okay, you see I get 287 results. Now, a word of caution about these results, and it's that they are mixed. So it actually also includes the story, The Telltale Heart, but I'm assuming at this point that you've already read the work that you are researching. So you do not want to look at that. So in order to filter out some of the results here, I'm going to recommend that you use the filters on the left side of the screen. And I'm going to first select resource type. I'll open up the possibilities here, and I'll see that the first type of source that is represented in these results is articles. So you can go ahead and click on that. I believe your assignment is just asking you to find secondary sources about the literary work in question. So generally those are going to come in the form of articles, but they could also take the form of book chapters. So I will go ahead and recommend that you select that. And then you apply those filters. Now you see that my results went down to 100 results from 287. And so now I'm going to see mostly articles. Okay, so all of these are going to be academic articles about this work. If you want to double check that these are indeed coming from scholarly journals that are peer-reviewed, there is also a filter for that. So I can select peer-reviewed journals to get rid of any articles that were not published in a peer-reviewed academic journal. So I'll click on apply that filter. And now I have all those filters applied. You can see them here. Okay, and I can see that, yeah, the results went down to 62. Okay, and now I'm going to see. So at this point in your research, you'll have to browse through the results. Look at the titles. If you want to, if a title catches your attention, you can click on it. You see how it's hyperlinked. And you can scroll down a little bit to get a description of what this source is about. Now, this is not the source yet. This is information about the source. So this is telling me the title, the author, where it was published. And again, if you scroll down, most likely you will see a description that can help you decide if this is an article that you want to read or not. So if you've read your description and you decide this is indeed an article that you want to use, you go ahead and click on the available online link. And this will take you to the article. Okay, if you're doing this from home, at this point, before you get to the actual article, you will be asked to log in. You will use your CUNY First credentials. They are the same credentials you use to log into Blackboard, so they should be familiar to you. If you're doing this from home, you will be prompted to log in at that point. So you don't need to log in to search in OneSearch, but you do need to log in to read the actual sources once you click on that available online link. Okay, so here's a PDF of the article. You can read it. You can download it if you decide that you are going to use it. Okay, so I hope this information is useful to you in completing the assignment that you need to do for this course. Thank you. Bye-bye.